All right, back on the clay. I know this seems like it just takes forever to do something, but well, you just take your time and hope everything works out. All right, let's get this legging going on this guy. I'm still not 100% health-wise, but I'm feeling better than I did yesterday. Still got some side effects from that drug, at least it feels like it. This is the bottom part of the legging, and it's typical of that period of time. a sculptor, when he creates clothing for a figure he's working on, he kind of becomes like if there was a stage play. They have somebody who designs the clothes and then dresses the actor, and that's kind of like what a sculptor does. He has to design the clothes and dress the actor. And that's all I'm doing is designing the clothes. All right. Now, I think what I want to do next. All right. Be right back. I'm starting the back of the shirt. I got to go to the foundry this week. And I don't know if I'll even do it tomorrow. I thought I was going to do it tomorrow, but I may have to. May have to take another day to recover. I'm leaving a depression where the bow quiver is going to be going. Let's see, I'm going to put some fringe on this shirt at the bottom of this shirt. Okay, I'm going to fill in under the arm here because that's where the sleeve will go. Now this is not a normal sleeve where it's all got a seam going all the way up. It's completely open except for the sleeve, part of the sleeve where it connects to the wrist. It'll be sewed there, but everything else will be loose skin hanging. I know, that's right. Now the seam of the shirt is going to come down about right there. I'm still not really sure I like the way this sleeve is turning out, but I'll just keep playing with it and see where it goes. All right, I'm gonna have to call it quits today. Battery's going dead, and the other one isn't charged up enough to use. So I'm liking the way it looks. The sleeves need a little work, but I think they're gonna be okay. Like I said, I've got work to do on this arm here, and finish that sleeve, and then do the bow and quiver. The quiver to go on his back, and with the strap, I'll finish up my clay, or I'll put the headdress on, and hopefully everything will look fine when it's all done. All right. Good night, everybody. I'll see you next time.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.